In this episode, why don't you join me while I go roaming around? Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds, and in today's unboxing we're going to be taking a look at the Sonos Roam. The Sonos Roam is a rugged portable speaker which is compatible with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Apple AirPlay 2. It's waterproof and has a 10-hour battery life, so you can just throw it in a bag and get going. So how does the Roam compare to other portable Bluetooth speakers? Let's dive in and take a look. I live for these moments. It's got that same great eco-friendly looking packaging that Sonos are going with at the moment. So what else have we got in the box there? You've got your setup guide. It'll also give you instructions on how to download the free Sonos app to help you get the best out of the Roam. They've even included a USB-A to USB-C charging cable in the box for you. Even the charging cable feels pretty rugged. They know you're going to be throwing it in a bag and taking it where you need, so it has to be tough. You've got that simple black cloth on there, just keeping it free of scratches and fingerprints. Just getting it out of the box, it feels really rugged. There's definitely a premium feel to the Roam. And when you're using it over Wi-Fi, you can actually pair two of them together and get stereo sound. On the top of it there, you've got your touch sensitive buttons, you've got the play and pause, you've got the volume either side, and you've got the microphone button to enable the smart voice control. You've got your USB-C charging port on there. It's also waterproof with an IP67 rating, so it can survive up to 30 minutes under a metre of water, but it's certainly nothing to worry about if it occasionally gets splashed or you get caught in the rain. And there we have it, the Sonos Roam. If you'd like to hear the Sonos Roam in person, why not pop into your local Richer Sound store today for a demo. In the meantime, please don't forget to like and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Thanks for joining me for this one, bye bye.